No matter if you're changing a belt for maintenance issues or a timing chain for running issues, you need to be careful when timing the engine, especially the camshaft and crankshaft. Why? Well, most vehicles have variable valve timing. This allows the camshaft to move independent of the sprocket itself. If it is not properly locked down and in the correct position, chances are the camshaft could be out of phase with the phaser, and you could eventually wind up with an engine that is out of time and has correlation codes. So look at the service information. Make sure you're locking down the actuator the correct way, and also the checks for the timing marks, because some engines, it changes year to year. So just keep this in mind when you're performing a maintenance timing belt replacement or replacing a timing chain, that you look at the timing marks and you refer to the service information on how to lock down the variable valve timing system. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.